Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jizawu Jnanatirth Vidyalay, Path Road, Parabhani. Friends, today we have to see the science of standard 5th. In this book, up to the last lecture, we have seen the information about different chapters, topics. Today we have to see the next topic. The name of the topic is Maps Our Campaigns. See the chapter number 9, Maps Our Campaign, or Map is Our Friend. Okay, so friends, in this chapter, the land in our environment is not of the same height everywhere. This unevenness gives rise to various land shapes, creating different landforms such as mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains, and islands. You have studied this in the 3rd chapter. Okay, so for a proper understanding of our environment, it is necessary to study the physical or natural setup of the land. In standard 4, when we learn about the maps, we saw a 5,000 years old map. This means that man has felt the need to make maps since ancient time. This is not a new. This concept is followed from the ancient times. Okay. At that time, maps were mainly used in wars. While fighting a battle, it is important to have detailed knowledge of the terrain. It helps in working out strategies of defeating the enemy. Maps were very useful for this purpose, and with the help of maps, the working out strategies or defeating the enemy is possible because they have a knowledge of the atmosphere or the area. At that area there is a possibility of the war, and how to deal with the atmosphere, landforms present at that place. Maps were very useful for this purpose. Okay, next, taking into account the differences in their height, shape, etc., various landforms can be shown on a map. There are different methods of showing these landforms on a map. Let us look at these methods. So friends, we have to see the different methods to draw the maps. Okay, next, you are going to a fort for your school trip. You travel by a bus to a certain point and then go off. The fort is on a hill. To reach the fort, you have to cross another hill and also a valley. Show the two hills and the valley in the blank box given on this page. How will you show that the valley is deep and the mountain is high? So with the help of some linings and some shape, you can indicate there are two hills present at two sides, and there is a gap, and there is a valley between these two hills. Okay, so you can observe the type of map can be drawn in ancient time. Next, see in the next picture, this map is the same as that of the previous, but there is a color coding is used, and with the help of this color code, the land forest. After that, water resources like lake, river, we can easily identify with the help of this map. See in the next picture, there is a different type of map we can observe, but these all maps are same, okay, but they are taking at a different types. Okay, next, study the maps shown above. All three maps show the same area, but they look differently. What is the sentence? Study the maps shown above. All three maps show the same area, but they look different. Study the map and answer the following question. In map A, how has the height of the land be shown? So that is the height of the land is shown by the numbers. See, we can take example, there is a triangle and there is a number 500. So length of that hill or at that place is 500 meter. Okay, next, why have color been used in map B? To indicate the land, forest and water reservoirs. Okay, how is map C different from the other two maps? Okay, so in the third map or map C, there is a green color, totally green color is used, and with the help of we directly can't specify the land and forest. With the help of different color we can identify the river at there, and there is a triangle, black color triangle, and height is 500 meter. So with the help of these techniques we can observe or discuss this map. See friends, in which direction is the highest point in maps A, B and C? There is a highest point. The height of that point is near about 500 meters. In which map can the landforms be seen most clearly? So we can observe landforms in these maps. So with the help of map B. So friend, this is about the chapter map our campaigns. Our map is our friend. So this is most important things. And so friends, we have to see the different types of this map in a next lecture. So we'll stop here. Okay, thank you.